Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI avatar on Picsart. So you can start by open the Picsart apps on your phone, then go to the create page, and here and in the AI tools section, you can easily spot AI avatar. So just click on that, and here you can choose the avatar type. There are three options: individual, couple, and also pet. So I'm going to just use this individual, then click on continue. Now you can just upload 10 to 30 photos of yourself. So you need to upload it into the Picsart. So you can just click on this box first, and now click on select photos. So click on the select photos and then just find your photos. So in here I'm going to find the photo first. Okay, I'm going to upload 10 photos. Okay, it's selected. Let's add another. Okay, now you can just click on add at the top left corner and just wait until the importing process is finished. And here choose the gender, click on continue, and now you can choose the style. You can select up to 10 avatar styles. So I'm going to just use natural and use the elegant mood, black and white, and the anime, also this page aesthetic. Click on continue. I choose 5 styles. So apparently you need to subscribe to generate the avatar, even if you are on the pro versions of Picsart. You need to still buy this. So it's like this feature is outside the pro feature, so you need to select one of these to purchase the avatar, and after that your avatar will be created. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.